Top selling bikes in India for April 2008. Top selling bikes in India for April 2018. Honda Activa reclaims top spot. The Honda Activa has regained the top spot for the best selling two-wheelers in India for the month of April 2018. The Activa 5G reclaimed the spot from the Hero Splendor. The top 5 spot on the best selling two-wheeler table were filled up by Honda Activa, Hero Splendor, HF Deluxe, CB Shen and the Passion. The two-wheeler market in India experienced a significant growth at the start of the new financial year. The Honda Activa registered a growth of 64% in April 2018 compared to the previous month. Honda sold over 3.3 lakh units of the Activa during the month of April 2018. However, Hero Splendor recorded just 1% increase in sales, selling just a little over 2.66 lakh units. The Hero Splendor slipped to the second position in the table. Honda CLIQ and the Navi registered sales of 3748 and 75 units respectively. The CB Unicorn and the Hornet 160 also managed to make the top 25 list. Hero complete product line up, Expect the Extreme, HF Dawn and the Achiever featured in the top 25 sale list. Suzuki sold 3,726 and 3,636 units of its 155cc offering, the Intruder and the Gixxer respectively, while its other offering, the Let's and the Hate, sold just 849 and 658 units each. Yamaha sold 2,444, 3,796 and 12,876 units of its scooters, the Alpha, SZ and the Ray offerings. The recently launched R3 sold 88 units, while the FZ25 fared better, 1,908 units. Bajaj recorded a growth of 26%. The company recorded sale of a little over 2 lakh units. The V12 and the V15 offering from Bajaj recorded sales number of 321 and 4,040 units respectively. The Discover series fared well in sales with over 17,000 units. However, Bajaj flagship's motorcycle, the Dominar, sold just a little over 1,000 units. Royal Enfield, on the other hand, managed to sell 74,627 units. Most of these sales numbers came from its classic 350 offering. The second best Royal Enfield was the Bullet 350 with 10,798 units. The Thunderbird 350 and 500 along with the Himalayan sold 3,772, 4,009 and 1,029 units respectively. TVS Motors continues to perform well with its Jupiter XL Super offerings. The recently launched NT Orc 125 was also received in April 2018. Other offerings such as Scooty Z, Peplus and Vigo registered 5,564, 8,918 and 2,360 units of sales. Among the motorcycles, the Victor and the Star City sold 8,864 and 13,866 units. The flagship TVS motorcycle, the Apache RR 310, managed to sell 862 units in April 2018. Thoughts on the top selling bikes in India for April 2018. Honda recently introduced the Activa 5G in the market. The Activa, now in its 5th generation, has been one of the best selling two-wheelers in the Indian market since the start. Now with the launch of the new generation Activa, Honda hopes to rake in the volume sales for the company.